Everybody loves potatoes in every form, and especially mashed potatoes, and especially in this season. So we're gonna level them up so you can eat even more mashed potatoes and even more often. There are two leveling up here. One is a flavored level up with some thyme caramelized onions, which are so absolutely delicious over anything actually. But they're even more fabulous over some mashed potatoes. And the second one is some white beans. We're gonna puree some white beans and mix it into the potatoes so there is some protein and some added nutrition. So you can serve these for dinner every single day. So let's make these caramelized onion mashed potatoes and beans. Peel some russet potatoes and add them to a saucepan with cold water. Also add in some garlic. You don't need to peel the garlic cloves. Once they boil with the potatoes, it'll be super easy to just squeeze them out. Then start the saucepan over medium-high heat. Bring the water to a boil. Reduce to medium and let it cook until the potatoes are tender. Then drain and add to a shallow bowl and squeeze the garlic out of the peels. Add some vegan butter and some salt and mash all of this up. We're not gonna add some non-dairy milk at this point because we're gonna add some white bean puree. So we will adjust the consistency based on the moisture content of the bean puree. While the potatoes are boiling, you can also make your caramelized onion. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add a whole lot of chopped onion and some salt. Cook this mixture for about 3 minutes or so. Then add in some more salt and sugar and some thyme and rosemary or any other herbs that you want. Continue to cook the onions until they are nicely golden brown. If the pan is drying out too much, you can add a splash of water. Depends on the moisture content of the onions. We didn't need to do it with these onions today, but you might need to do it depending on the pan and the onions and so on. Now let's make our bean puree. Drain a can of white beans and add them to a food processor or a blender. Add some nutritional yeast, or if you don't want to use nutritional yeast, add some miso or some vegan parmesan. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of the caramelized onions and add some non-dairy milk. Then blend or process everything until the beans break down and the mixture is smooth as can be. Then transfer that mixture to your mashed potatoes. Now keep mixing the bean puree and the mashed potato mixture. Depending on the moisture content of your potatoes and your bean puree, you might need to add some more non-dairy milk until you get the right consistency. I kept this mixture a little bit more thick and fluffy and slightly chunky and not super smooth because I like it that way, but you can continue to mix it and make it super smooth and whip it a little bit so that it is airy. Add some more vegan butter for that whipped action if you want. Add some chopped chives or green onion. And then you can serve it however you like with the additional caramelized onions on the side or on top of the mashed potatoes. And it is just so absolutely delicious. I use absolutely and delicious a lot in most of my recipes. So give me a counter in the comments. So that is our super delicious mashed potatoes with caramelized onions, and it is absolutely, absolutely delicious. I love potatoes. Just make these as a side with anything that you're making for dinner. You can serve it with my mushroom gravy, with any of the Indian curries because they also go really well with mashed potatoes, with my mushroom bourguignon. Let's make my mushroom bourguignon. I have the Instant Pot version on the website, so this we're making in the saucepan. First, heat a skillet over medium heat, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the onion and garlic and a good pinch of salt and cook until the onion is starting to turn translucent. Then add in the carrots and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in your mushrooms, some more salt, the thyme and the red wine, and then cover with a lid. Once the mushrooms are al dente, make a space in the pan in the middle. Add the soy sauce, tomato paste, and a little bit of stock so that the tomato paste mixes in. Mix your cornstarch into the stock. Add that to the pan as well. And let that cook for another few minutes to thicken a little bit. And your bourguignon is ready. Today we're serving it with my caramelized onion, mashed potato and beans. If you do make this, do let me know in the comments how you liked it, how everybody else liked it, how your family liked it, and don't forget to review it on the website as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun and creative vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.